This year, my husband Hans and I are tracking 1,000 hours outside with our son Owen. For purposes of our chart, if we're going to round down. For example, if we spend 2 hours and 3 minutes at the zoo, we're going to round that down to 2 hours. Each color is a different activity. This week, we spent 9 hours and 45 minutes outside. We spent 3 hours and 30 minutes walking, 2 hours at the playground, 1 hour and 30 minutes at a garden, 1 hour and 30 minutes at the zoo, and we spent 1 hour and 15 minutes on a hike. With that, this is how we're looking.